In this video, we're going to develop financial scenarios with Scenario Manager. Many financial analyses explore the impact of several input values on several different results. Because data tables are limited to 2 input cells, you must create a scenario to perform a what-if analysis with more than 2 input cells. A scenario is the defined set of values for different cells grouped under a common name. Scenarios are limited to a maximum of 32 changing cells, so there is a limitation. So in Excel, we're going to create 2 scenarios for the data in the wall units worksheet based on the data shown in Table 1 of your instructions. Okay, so we're in wall units right now. And we're going to create it by going to Data. Okay, make sure that you click out of the actual chart that you created before, because if you don't, it'll be grayed out, and all it is because it's selected. So make sure to click off of it, click Data, What If Analysis, Scenario Manager. Alright, so in Scenario Manager, we're going to add 2 scenarios. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit Add. Okay, the name of this one, okay, is going to be, let's see, in scenario 1 is going to be Standard Materials. So Standard Materials. Okay, in the changing cells for Standard Materials, C12. So you can either click on it or you can type it in. So C12 and C15. Okay, so C12 are variable cost per unit and our total fixed cost. Alright, once you have that, you're going to click OK. And then you have to put your inputs. So in this case, we're going to put in the values for each of the changing cells, and you can see the scenario is going to be 33.75 for the wall unit variable cost, and it's going to be 175,000 for the wall unit's fixed cost. Okay, once you have those in, okay, you could add more if you had them, but we only have 2 in this particular scenario. So I'm going to click OK, and you can see that you have Standard Materials added. You're going to do the same thing for the green materials. So you're going to add, call it Green Materials. Same changing cells. Click OK. And again, you're going to put in the wall unit variable cost, which in this case now is 42.50. So 42.50. So $42.50. And then we're going to do 225,000. And click OK. So you've created 2 scenarios. Alright, and so we're going to go ahead then, and you'll see your standard. You can hit close, and if you want to go back and forth to see what difference it makes with the 2 different scenarios, you can. But right now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to click close.